going to say.
So brave, so strong. You act like you're not even dying. It's okay. Wally's here. Wally's here.
Hey?
Beat it, kid!
You're tickling me with that. What do you do there?
Oh, that was a tangy one.
Nice finish on that last one.
Gorgonzillas go.
Smelly-rillas go.
Doodads are proper and proud.
Zortoids are long and loud.
Even Mom, who says they're wrong.
Sometimes sings the but slow.
No matter who you are, you can be a butt star.
Attention fans of Thunderbot. This show has been canceled due to its high level of poopiness.
Makes me want to poo-poo pee-pee everywhere.
I couldn't answer my own phone! Hello?
Take off your peel.
Stand back and let a real musical talent do his thing.
Yeah.
Whoop, special delivery. Get ready to be rescued by the real gassy heroes.
I'm already rescued.
Oh, please no! Whew, I knew that 64-ounce Super Poppy Fizz would come in handy.
You're a loser monkey. Who's a loser? It's a monkey. Well, it's a loser. It's a monkey.
Don't mind Wally. By doing something completely superficial. Check it. That's some primo hero juice right there. Whipper! Ah! Monkey hero time! Boo.
Stro XLT fart generator with reinforced bladder technology.
You son of a...
How do I get out of here?
There's only one exit, Lord Peels.
What is that smell?
I have no idea. Absolutely.
Can we just move on?
Oh, yeah, very amusing.
And wear it like a ski mask. Let's try it again. Sorry about that.
Rocket monkeys, you do not use the special word to get free stuff. Your sorry shenanigans must stop.
You sorry your way, and we'll sorry our way.
Is poop okay if you freeze it? Piper.
Maybe she'll be like in the movies. You know, a singing nanny. Are you our happy singing nanny? This new plan is poo-poo caca pee-pee face.
A dick.
It's amazing how many undies I go through in 3 seconds.
Oh, my disgustedness knows no bounds. I hope you're not expecting a tick for this mess.
I love the smell of robo-gas in the morning. It smells like victory.
Be crushed by a boat anchor, cheapo. What does that mean?
Hello? Gas? Wally? Gentlemen's there? Weird. Quite a quandary.
Aha! Your cahooting days are over!
Hey, guys, I thought I smelled you there. Hard to miss.
Explosion. Oh, really?
Hey, oh boy.
A banana that poops more bananas!
Sorry, I'm so preoccupied I was being sorry.
I can't even
that I
understand
haven't
what
eaten a book
sorry
in 3
is.
days.
The rocket monkeys, they're monkeys in space. They try to be heroes, but they're easy to replace. They're not the brightest.
Look at me. I'm the pantsless evil villain, Stain Boy. Watch me ruin your favorite chair. You're not gonna want to sit in this one again.
And you just dripped the water into my mouth from your cheek.
Most vile place in the galaxy. I don't know what those girls were talking about.
I was barely disgusted.
I just hope that horrible taste goes away. That's not going away.
This is way better than Yaok's bucket.
Check it out, Gus.
Leg fact, I have toenails. Who knew that? I didn't know that.
Oh, Barf, don't need to know it.
Yeah.
I'm giving the win to Wally because that was hilarious.
Monkey cool.
Walton J. Monkey! Single ply? Obviously, you don't care enough!
Best extinct pet ever!
And they're gonna love me. Really? During my solo? Rocket Monkeys, terrible news.
Everything on the internet isn't true?
I have pants that can speak French.
By the tenderloin of Turner, turn up the crankiness.
You watch that tongue of yours, young squid, or I'll rip it right out of ya, and I'll slap you with it!
Are you kidding me? This is ridiculous.
Sorry, but these don't belong to you.
How old is she?
I smell a flashback.
Well, it came out the back, but that was me.
That fart smelled like the past.
That should keep them busy for a while.
Wow, that tea goes right through me.
Preach into the choir, Wall.
Take a sugar,
Read us a story.
lick your face.
Fart in your pillow. Wait, it's quiet. Could it be? Yes, my plan worked. And now to escape. Oh, what did you eat? Pooh? I can't get away from these disgusting monkeys fast enough.
Sleeping? Slumber parties are for farting on each other's pillows. Watching movies until your eyes bleed. And licking each other's faces. And playing hide the candy cane.
And then farting more on each other's pillows.
Oh, no.
No.
Not what I said now the first time.
No, it is not here yet. And wait, something's coming. Don't know what. Oh, no. Ah!
Push! Now breathe! Breathe! Push! Push!
Take this. Clean towels and boiling water. Ah!
You're so beautiful right now. I'm so proud of you.
Oh, no.
I see a corner! It's corrugated!
The rocket monkeys, they're
There's something that just feels right about being right. Am I right?
Yeah, but it's kind of a cheaty, right?
Well, right's never wrong.
This could get annoying fast. Oh, that is quite nice. Musky. There's a sort of mossy undertone. A cherry, cashews that have slowly rotted. A burning plastic.
You ain't smelled nothing yet.
He's gonna blow!
Okay, but I had a little accident.
As I raised my precious little horror to hate those cursed monkeys.
Wand activated.
Wow, this opens up so many opportunities.
Maybe we should have watered it?
Now, be a good monkey and clean up my mess.
What mess?
The one you're standing in? I made a boom boom on the floor.
That is lasagna. That is a cabbage, couch fluff. That is something I found this morning doing your laundry. Don't touch it. He's never going to stop terrifying my poor monkeys. They live in such fear. Okay.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Yay, okay.
Yeah, you okay who?
Who cares?
Nice work, Norm.
Never catch me.
Yeah, when I get you. Good one.
Always be nice to your inflatable friends. And remember, no balloonskis were hurt in the making of this TV show.
Except for that one. Okay, and that one. That one too. This one. Okay, just that one. Do this one as well. This one too. Also this one. And this. Ooh, no one here but us cows.
I wish my butt could clap like that.
Mine can. Yay for me! Gus wins! I win!
You're right, Gus Double. It's way better this way.